In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change microphone sensitivity in Discord on PC. If your microphone is picking up too much background noise, or if Discord is not catching your voice clearly enough, adjusting your microphone sensitivity can make a big difference. This setting helps control how easily your mic activates, so it's useful whether you're gaming, joining calls, or chatting in a server. To begin, open Discord and go to your dashboard. This is the main Discord window where you can see your servers, channels, and account controls. Once you're there, look down to the bottom left area of the screen. Next to your profile section, you'll see a small gear icon which opens user settings. Click that gear icon to access your Discord settings. After the settings menu opens, look through the options on the left-hand side and click voice and video. This section contains your input and output audio settings, including microphone behavior, volume, and sensitivity controls. Now scroll until you find the setting called Automatically Determine Input Sensitivity. By default, Discord may have this turned on, which means the app decides for you when your microphone should start picking up sound. If you want more control, switch this option off. As soon as you disable it, Discord will reveal a manual sensitivity slider measured in decibels. At this point, you can adjust the slider based on how sensitive you want your microphone to be. If you slide it to the left, your mic will pick up quieter sounds more easily. This can be helpful if your voice is naturally soft or if your microphone is positioned farther away from your mouth. Just keep in mind that moving it too far left can also cause the mic to capture keyboard sounds, fans, or other background noise. If you slide the control to the right, Discord will require a louder sound before activating your microphone. This is useful if you're in a noisy environment and want to reduce unwanted sounds coming through. However, if you move it too far right, parts of your speech may get cut off, especially at the beginning of sentences. A good tip here is to make small adjustments and test your voice after each change. That way, you can find the balance between clear speech and reduced background noise. And that's how to change microphone sensitivity in Discord on PC. Once you've dialed in the right setting, your voice should come through much more clearly in calls and voice chats.